This is the DeepCool CH160 Mini-ITX PC case, designed for gamers seeking a compact, high-performance build on a budget. Its sleek black design features metal grate panels and a tempered glass side, ensuring optimal airflow and showcasing your hardware. A built-in handle adds portability, perfect for gaming on the go. Despite its small size, the CH160 accommodates powerful components. It supports CPU coolers up to 172mm tall and GPUs up to 305mm in length with an SFX power supply, making it suitable for high-performance builds. The case also offers space for up to 4 fans, ensuring efficient cooling for your system. Built with durable SPCC steel, tempered glass and ABS materials, it balances form and function while keeping a clean and minimal look. There's a lot of PC cases out there, but when you can get one that does all this, looks this good, and only costs $69, you don't have to look much further. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more. Also, if the CH160 doesn't take your fancy, check out some alternatives in the description below.